Hey guys, I'm here today to talk to you about my SaluSpa. I don't know. It's the same company that's making the Coleman version of it. Make it buffer. It's just an inflatable spa, portable spa. You can have it set up and ready to go in about 15-20 minutes. This part right here has an air compressor built into it. That's what you use to inflate your spa with it. It's a really tough, durable thing. Now we have outdoor cats, we have a few things like that, and they haven't caused any problems. The cover is super durable, but it's also got an inflatable float thing in the middle of it. I like that. So the heater itself operates on 110 volts. It has its own ground fault interrupt for safety. Here's the heater unit. You can see, just push the bubbles. And for under 400 bucks, we've got a hot tub that we can move around, we can set up in just a few minutes, and man, you can't beat it. I got it from Wal-Mart.com. I also use my Wal-Mart card to get 3% off of anything at Wal-Mart.com. So yeah, I'm sold. I love it.